Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get mint in grounded. Search near water and shaded garden beds to spot mint clusters quickly, then crouch to examine leaves for a fresh scent. Harvest carefully with a hand tool or small shovel to keep the patch healthy for regrowth. Store harvested mint in your inventory or plant it in a garden bed to cultivate a dependable supply for future recipes and crafting needs. In this video, I will show how to get mint in grounded. Focus your search around ponds, garden beds, and damp corners beneath tall grass where mint prefers shade and moisture. Approach slowly and look for the distinctive green leaves and slight scent to confirm mint before harvesting. Keep a mental map of reliable patches and revisit them after regrowth to build a steady mint supply for cooking, medicine, and crafting needs in your survival playthrough. In this video, I will show how to get mint in grounded. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated anywhere, fits cup holders, and is easy to toss in your gaming nook. If you like practical gear that makes play sessions easier, give it a look in the description for the link and extra deals. If this guide helped, please subscribe and like, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get mint in grounded. Harvest selectively, taking only a few stems so the plant can recover and regrow quickly. Use a shovel or hand tool to extract mint with care, protecting roots and nearby seedlings for sustained yields. Rotate between several known locations to avoid depleting any single patch, and store extras safely so you always have mint available for recipes, buffs, and base quality of life items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.